What's the most exciting part about this association that you have?
Well, the word that comes to my mind is fun. It's always fun to do something with Hello. All my shoots with them have been great. All my articles have been ones that I always remember.
I was looking on the wall and I realized that we've actually done quite a few things together in the past, and a lovely group of people. It's a fun night. Everyone is so wonderful in the room, and such people that I don't get to see often. I've run from a shoot and come here though, so I'm covered in dust, not feeling very glamorous, but it's okay.
It's my first Hello event. So I'm here for Hello for Times of India, and the family, the entire Times family that has always been with me throughout my career and my life, and my baby's announcement also.
Looking forward to a really fun evening. It's been so kind and overwhelming by the whole fraternity, you know, to give me so much love, and I'm just happy with the fact that, you know, I'm nominated or I'm in that category.
Hello, हम हैं at the Hello Hall of Fame Awards और हम करने वाले exclusive interactions बॉलीवुड के सबसे बड़े celebrities के साथ. हम रेड कार्पेट पे हैं और हम पूछने वाले हैं कुछ मज़ेदार सवाल, तो देखते रहिए. She's gorgeous and she is going to teach me a new way of saying hello.
That's the way.
Tell me, what's the cheesiest way someone has come and told you hello ever?
Oh, like we've met, right? Like, remember we met?
I think we're going to hear a lot of that tonight.
Oh, really?
I have some friends who from UK and US, and they're like, hello, hello. They say it twice.
I haven't met cheesy and creepy people. I'd like to. It'll be quite fun to meet them. But no, I haven't had anyone say hello to me in a creepy way. Sometimes people push you, especially on red carpets, or barge you to do interviews like you have. But nobody has been cheesy. No, you're not really. You're just pulling my leg.
You know, a lot of fans do that, but I don't say that. I don't think so. Like, you know, you can take that thing in a creepy way. Well, this guy came from behind. Like, I'm standing here, right? And he was like, hello.
Ew. Okay. Not happening.
Whoa. It has happened once or twice, even after we've got married.
How did you ward it off?
I think I was just polite. I said hello back and I did my own thing.
Usually I kind of just say hello back and make sure I make a swift exit before it gets creepier.
People don't really creepily say hello to me usually. It's very sweet. Hello, how are you? बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो बेटा.
I just like, I do like a head move, like something like this. I just go like...
And then you
just
move
move.
out?
I just move out, yeah.
It was yesterday at breakfast in the hotel, and this dude was like acting all sheepish and weird, and like, oh, he's such a big fan. And then in the next breath, he's like, oh, you got fat, huh? And I'm like, wow, dude, maybe you should get up and leave now.
No one can dare.
I like that. You don't mess with her.
I think like when someone like has a nice pickup line, something funny and makes me laugh, then I totally fall for it. But if it's something too cheesy, then no.
The last time you walked up to a stranger and made them smile was saying hello.
Oh, I do that all the time. I'm very social, I'm very affable, I'm amiable. So sometimes even when I don't know people, I like to smile and greet people because I don't wait for the other person to say hello. I always go and say hello on my own first.
Oh, that happens. Like if I want some help, or like if I want to know something about something, so then I say yes, yeah, hello, yeah.
Yeah, all the time. All the time. Hello.
I think today when I was walking into the lobby hotel, and you know, they stand outside when you're doing your checking and stuff, and they say good morning. I said hello.
You know, this happens very often to me that I feel I know people, but I actually don't know them. Like I feel I've seen a face and you feel that you know this person, you've seen them before, like through someone. And then like...
Yeah, everyone. I love doing that actually.
What's the craziest thing you do to be at the top of the Hall of Fame?
I would not do anything.
I'm doing crazy roles in Golmaal 1, 2, 3 and 4. I should be in the Hall of Fame of the craziest people.
What's the craziest thing is show up, I think. These days, if you show up, you win an award, right?
See, all I can do is I can give my best when it comes to dressing up, because we all know that Hello Hall of the Fame Awards is the #1 celebrity magazine, known for its fashion, you know, celebrities and royalty. So yeah.
I think our conversations slash arguments slash non-stop discussions where we never agree on anything are actually what we should be in the Hall of Fame for. But nobody knows that about us. So
Actually, you sit on the dining table with us, narrating each other's stories.
and whoever happens to be
everyone
giving
else.
us company is very entertained because it never stops. We
Yeah.
just don't agree on anything ever. So
No.
very rarely.
As in, it's funny.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I rest my case.
I don't think there's anything you can do to be at the top of anything. I think you have to do what you believe in and what comes naturally to you and what you're really passionate about. And if it's true, it'll get you there automatically.
I'll arrive at the red carpet in pajamas. Then I have to top it.
I was actually going to come in a bathrobe today with a bow and tie, but then I was reprimanded by my people, so I didn't.
I think Ranveer has on.
Ranveer has worn pajamas, so I said I'll go one up, but I didn't do it. I can't do it.
You either have to be there because you're there, or you're not there.
Wear a lot of bikinis. I do a lot of philanthropy. I mean, I think that's enough.
That's enough. जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा था, हेलो हॉल ऑफ फेम के रेड कार्पेट पर सबसे ज़्यादा मस्ती हमने की। चाहे वो शाहिद मीरा की खट्टी मीठी नोकझोंक हो या फिर वरुण धवन ने हमें ये बताया कि उन्हें रेड कार्पेट पर बाथरोब पहन के आना हो। ऐसी एक्सक्लूसिव स्टोरी सिर्फ हमने आपको ला कर दी। विद रुद्रानी चौटराज, कैन पर्सन आदित्य, ज़ूम, मुंबई।
For all the Garma Garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.